So, a girl who had an unavailable father, who couldn't find love in her own house from her own father. When she looks for love outside, uh, in this world, in these guys, okay, she thinks that his he is her boyfriend, and she tries to find that love that she has not got from her father, uh, uh, you know in this man or a guy or a boy. And the boy thinks that this is not going to be anything serious, and he does not label the relationship or the situationship, because he does not have any means to commit to her. Or maybe she is just not the one. When he meets this girl, he is he gets to realize that he has uh, you know not everything put together in his life, and he tries to make this woman or this girl settle down for less what he has to offer. And with this, she thinks that, all right, maybe right now this person is not offering me much, but then maybe later on he may offer me. Slowly he will start growing because I am with him. Okay. But then he had already decided in his mind that he can't give her enough, and he is okay to let her go uh, whenever the time is to let her go, because he was not ready to commit, because he thought that he doesn't have enough to offer her. Or maybe he just thought that, what can I get from her, instead of thinking what can I offer her. So when you see from an overall view, the girl looks like a prostitute, isn't it? Because she is giving everything to him, including sex. She looks like a prostitute to him. He start thinking that she is ready to give me everything, knowing that I don't have much to offer. She must be crazy, she must be stupid, or she must be someone who is here to just enjoy. But the thing is, even the prostitutes They charge money for whatever they do with the man. But what about this girl? This girl is trying to get love out of this man, and this man is thinking that she is just a random girl. She's trying to enjoy with him. She is not someone to get serious with, or she may not be serious about him. To work out a relationship, it requires two people, not just one. But my point here is that you are misunderstanding a woman, a girl who did not get love from her own father in her own house, is trying to find love in some other guy in this world. And this does not make her prostitute just because she is trying to find love. This could look like a desperate woman, chasing the man. But she is just trying to find love. How does that make this woman a prostitute, a bad woman? She is trying to please this man to a large extent, and this man is taking her for granted because he thinks that she is being too desperate, because this man does not have the emotional maturity or understanding that people usually chase people not because they not because they are they are crazy or materialistic. Sometimes it's something internal they are struggling with, the love they have not got from their own father. And it's not something, a small thing, okay? Being a child, not getting love from your parents, it's a hard thing, because the child is not supposed to see the harsh reality of this world so early in their life. I feel like the child is not supposed to get abused by their parents, because the world is waiting for the child to grow up and show its harsh reality later on in its in the later on in the life, uh, when the child grows old. Then the child can see how the people are in this world, how they are born and brought up, each individual, how they are born and brought up in their own families. And creating boundaries is something that can happen only when you are an adult. It's not possible to create boundaries with your parents in your childhood. It's just not possible, and it is not supposed to even happen, because the child is supposed to get unconditional love. For that, the boundaries are not something the requirement. But then, yeah, sometimes slowly the parent can teach the child that as you grow up, you are supposed to have boundaries even with your parents, and the parents are also supposed to have boundaries with the child. But this woman is s- portrayed as prostitute because just because she slept with this guy, because she was trying to find love in this guy. Even though maybe that could be a possibility that she knew that she is not in love with this guy, but he's not her type. But then this guy made her believe uh, that he is in love with her to an extent that she had to believe that yes, he is in love. So obviously, if somebody loves you, you are supposed to surrender to love, isn't it? But then, you know, because she had never got love in her life from her own father. She didn't know you know what love actually looks like, and she misunderstood love bombing to uh, as to love. She thought the love bombing is actually love. But then when the time passes, she starts to see the red flags and ignore the red flags, taking those as like giving a benefit of doubt. But there comes a point that she gets totally frustrated with the whole thing. This guy breaks her heart uh, to an extent that it's very hard for her to recover. But then she pull herself up and she stands on her feet and then walks away. And then maybe she still stays with this man. I mean, maybe she stays away from this man for some time and then she comes back. And now she is totally detached from this person. And this person is subconsciously picking on to these cues that this girl is now actually uh, you know is emotionally detached. So now what? Now he will try to put efforts, but then these efforts are going to get wasted because she is over this whole thing. Now she just wants to focus on herself. She just want to be in her own world. She just wants to be with herself. She doesn't want to go outside. She doesn't want to meet anybody. She doesn't want to have fun, with him. Going out with him, having fun with him, eating with him, doing anything with him, having sex with him also becomes a formality. So I just want to question these men as to, you wanted this cold hearted women, you wanted this, You came to this woman seeing her quality of being empathetic, being humble to people, and you crushed her. You killed those qualities in her for you especially. So you wanted her to be cold and distant, just like you. And now that she is cold and distant, you all of a sudden are starting to get emotions for her. Why? Why you were not supposed to? Why you didn't walk away from her in the very first place when you knew that you had nothing to offer her? I know the answer. Because you were lustful. And you give her a name that she is a prostitute, she's a slut. Why? Then what are you? You are the one who is lustful. You are the prostitute. You are the slut. She just wanted love from you, nothing else. A person who could hold her hand and make her believe that I'm right here with you. You don't have to worry. She didn't want a physical touch. No. You didn't earn the physical touch. You forced it on her. And she believed that this person is mine, so he could be doing something which is alright. He could be doing something which is okay.